So hey everyone and welcome back to our Git tutorial series. In today's episode we are going to delve into one of the fundamental commands in Linux, that is ls command. So basically we are going to write our commands inside the Git Bash, but these commands are mostly Linux based commands. Okay, so basically Git is actually based on Linux, right? So we're gonna write some Linux commands which are really important. The very first command is ls command. So the ls command stands for list. Okay, ls stands for list and it's used to display the contents of a directory. So it's particularly useful when you're working with Git to see what files and directories are present in your repository. For example, I want to know that I have a folder, I want to know how many files are there, what are the files, what are the directories which I have inside this particular directory. Okay, so let's jump right into it. So let's open our Git Bash, or you can open your normal CMD also, but we're gonna open the Git Bash. So what we'll do is we'll simply create a directory, and we can assume that this tutorials, this was the repository, right? So I'm just going to create a new folder here, and here I'll just create the folder named as Git. Okay, so guys, inside this I'll just say my ls tut. Okay, inside this guys I'll just create a new file. Okay, I'll just create suppose a word file, and you can see F1. Okay, similarly I'll create a new directory. I'm just saying that D1. Okay, similarly I'm just gonna create one more directory here. Okay, and I'm just gonna name it as D2. Okay, so you can see that I have some file and directory here. Similarly I'll just paste a file also. So again I can create, you can say that its name is F2. Okay, so you can see I have some files and directory, although they are empty but still they exist, right? So I'm just gonna open Git Bash. Please make sure you have installed Git Bash. You can watch my previous videos. Now you can see that here we have the folder directly opened into the Git Bash. So what you need to do is here, if I type ls, you can see that I have the files and directories. You can see I'm getting all the details of it, right? So it's very beneficial to know just directly from the command line. You can directly see that what are the files or directories present in your folder. Okay, so it's very great. Now if you want to just know one more thing, like if you type something like ls flag l, so you can see that I'm getting some more details, like who created it. Okay, in Linux we basically have a lot of owners of different files or directories. Viraj is the owner, that means the person using this laptop. So you can see that what are the access rights. So basically if you see RWX, that means read, write and execute accesses are here. So basically there are different accesses here. You can see then the owner name, and also you would see the time when the file was created along with the file or directory name, right? So that's how you can use the ls command to get more details. And if you want to know more about the ls command, you can just search on Google, or you can just type here ls flag help. Okay, so this would give you a lot more details. Okay, so you can see that it's giving us some more details, what different flags are here, you can see, and you can read their details, right? So guys, that's it for today. I hope you understood the usage of ls command, and we are mostly going to use it to just list the directories or just get some more details using flag l. That's it. So I hope you understood this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.